morning everyone, welcome again to my kitchen and to my channel. Today it is very exciting because we are making another microwave recipe which is for our keto lovers and keto dieters, but it is not just limited to keto lovers. We can all eat that too once in a while. It is really healthy and it is yummy and delicious and delectable taste that ever lasts in your mouth. So let's get started. What is this recipe that we are making today? It is very simple. It is keto low carb flax bread and it is going to be a microwave recipe. So let's get started on our ingredients. Over here I have 3 brown eggs and I have ground flax meal. So over here this is my brown flax seed and I just used a coffee grinder to grind it, and this is what I got. Very simple. And over here I have Celtic salt, baking powder, olive oil. You can also use coconut oil or coconut butter for this recipe. And let's get started. I'm just going to go ahead and break the eggs and mix everything, give it a good whisk, and we'll be done. There you go. If you don't like the smell of the egg, definitely use a spatula or a fork to remove the egg eye. And if you still don't know how to do that and how to remove the egg smell, I have made a wonderful video how to remove the egg smell from the egg and still have the cakes that you love. Okay, over here I'm just going to take a fork and whisk it really nicely, and I'll be back. I'm just going to give it a good whisk. You may also use another glass bowl or any kind of mixing bowl if you're not comfortable doing this, but I'm just going to take the same one for the microwave. So I took a microwavable bowl, but definitely use your choices. And over here you can also use a hand blender and froth it really well, but it's totally up to you. I'm just doing it in my fork. I'm more comfortable mixing it. And I'm just going to add baking powder, salt. And you can do the old-fashioned method, like wet ingredients first and then the dry ingredients, but for this recipe it is okay. And I'm just going to pour the flax meal. Alright guys, I did transfer from this microwave bowl to another bowl, but I am going to use this for the microwaving purpose, but it was really small, so I am comfortable with a larger bowl. And yeah, as you can see, it's very well combined. Now it's time for the oil, just to grease it up and give us that smooth texture. And if you don't like olive oil for this recipe, definitely use coconut oil or coconut butter. Anyway, it's going to melt in there, so it adds a great flavor and aroma to it as well. Alright, it's ready. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer into this. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to share a quick recipe. If you have not viewed my egg replacement video, definitely go ahead and do that. There is a lot of good tips in there. But for this recipe also, we have done the freshly ground flax meal, because when you use the flax meal from the store or you have kept it for a while, it has no nutrition value. So flax meal has to be ground instantly. If you use the whole flax seed, it does not have any bioavailability. So definitely understand that, and grind your flax meal when you're ready to make this recipe. Alright, it's ready. Now it's getting ready to go into my microwave for 4 minutes, and let's see how our bread is. Just wait for 4 minutes. I'll be back. Alright, over here it's been in the microwave for 4 minutes, and here we go. Isn't that a delectable bread, cake, whatever? And I'm just going to go ahead and transfer over here. Wow. So if you have a square bowl, it will become like a bread, but since I used a round bowl, this is going to be like this, and I'm just going to turn it and show you how spongy it is on the inside. And wow, look at that. And I'm just going to cut it like a pizza, so the kids would love it. We can call this a pizza cake. So here we go guys. Wow, so beautiful. I'm just going to put it back together right over here. There you go. Alright, our keto low carb seed bread, which is a microwave seed bread, flax seed bread, is ready, and it is delicious and delectable. How do I know it? I have made it plenty of times in my kitchen, and my guests, my children, everybody loves it. that's why I wanted to share this with all of you, my friends out there. And here we go, another great recipe. Either you want to eat it for your breakfast or any time of the day. I call it time keto flaxseed bread. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and more videos are on the way.